24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. In today's video, we will cover the topic of seed from Chapter 3 of Science, Grade 5 of Snowman Publishers. This video will cover structure of a bean seed, structure of a maize seed, germination of bean seed and maize seed. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is seed? How is a seed produced? Are there any seeds that we eat? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise the characteristics of flowers. Keep writing their responses on the board. For this lesson, give each student a bean seed and an overnight soaked bean seed. Tell them how to split or open the soaked bean seed. Ask them to closely observe both the seeds. Once all the students are done, ask them to tell what have they observed. Note these down on the board. Then, with the help of the textbook and a labeled diagram of bean seed on the board, explain to the students about the structure of a bean seed. Just as the bean seed, give each student a maize seed and an overnight soaked maize seed. Tell them how to cut the cross-section of the soaked maize seed. Ask them to closely observe both the seeds. Once all the students are done, ask them to tell what they have observed. Note these down on the board. Then, with the help of the textbook and a labeled diagram of maize seed on the board, explain to the students about the structure of a maize seed. Now that the students have learnt about the structure of bean and maize seeds, tell them about the monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Tell them the differences between the two, keeping in view the bean and maize seeds. With the help of the textbook, tell the students about the conditions that are necessary for seed germination. Then, with the help of diagrams on the board or prepared chart paper, tell the students how a bean seed and a maize seed germinate. Explain to them the processes in detail with the help of the textbook. Ask them to keep in view both the processes of bean germination and maize germination and identify the differences between the two. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare models of bean and maize seeds with the help of clay dough. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.